when should a company or a small company, a pharma company, or a research organization should not go to CMOs? When should they decide to do it all by themselves?
Never. I don't know. To be frank, I don't have an answer to that question. When would they not go? You have to imagine the development of the discovery of the molecule is already a very cost intensive process, and you're probably as a small startup, you're probably dependent on a venture capital company. Okay, and that venture capital company dictates everything you do. They got a guy in your offices who pays attention how much paper you use and how much coffee you drink. Um, so while you're in that situation, I think actually going to the venture capital company and saying, look, you know what, we need some, I don't know, we need 150 million more so we can build our own manufacturing facility. The venture capital company will probably tell you, you know what, you can get it for 70 million at Lonza, Catalent, Samsung Biologics, whatnot, right? Any of the big CDMOs. So why don't we go there? I think that would be a rare occasion that really the seedling starts from zero and then grows into a full-blown tree. Very rare.
Thank you for tuning in and listening or watching this episode of Qualitox podcast. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider sharing it with your friends and subscribe. Stay compliant and see you in the next one.